remember we said on maps we will apply some, masking over here to give
Correct.
uneven shape to the
Uneven,
glass.
uneven heights. Okay.
So here you see we have something called density.
Density.
Let's try with this. Let's create a
Okay.
first we'll create a normal simple plane and then we can apply noise to give little bit of up and down and that kind of effect.
Effect. Okay.
Okay, first create a simple plane over here. I have texture. Go to material editor. I take you just experimented few things
Okay.
yesterday. Give new view. Okay. I have texture with me. Classes, texture. I need this to texture.
Okay.
This will be my grass. This will be my ground. I need what V-Ray material. V-Ray material. Okay, one I keep for my base and I make a copy.
Okay.
Yes, so simple, just diffuse again, and this one will go for make grass.
Okay.
Okay, later we will change the property, reflection and
Okay.
all. Right
Okay.
now we will keep basic only diffuse.
Okay.
This is my ground and so ground is ready. Now
Okay.
we will try to create the grass with the help of for modify.
Okay.
Keep the object where you want for to be appear.
Okay.
The object should be selected. Plus sign standard. We have to go to for over here.
Clear, sir.
Have you tried this before for modify?
No, once or twice I tried, but later on I started applying images.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try this. This is very nice, very nice. It's for grass and all. It's give a very nice result. Let's try
Right.
this, huh?
Right.
So we came to V-Ray and here we have the option V-Ray fur.
Okay.
So just click on V-Ray fur and it will be applied
Okay.
on the selected object.
Okay.
Okay. Now two things I would like to share. First of all, the texture V-Ray fur has its own texture. Okay.
Okay.
The grass which I have this is going to be V-Ray texture right now. V-Ray
Okay.
fur which I have applied, it does not have any texture.
Okay.
It's blind. And secondly, the property you see over here, the length, thickness, gravity, bend,
Okay.
and all other parameters. This will be the last saved parameters. Means if you have experimented something over here,
Okay.
the last saved one will be copied over here.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so if you are working newly on V-Ray, if you on computer you are doing newly, so this property will be a little different.
Okay.
But not to worry, we will discuss maximum of them.
Okay.
Whatever is needed, we are going to discuss what are the properties over, and they are very easy to understand. Okay.
Okay.
First, what we will do, let's render and see what result we got over here. I have two cameras. One W come out of this mode. One is little far and one is little near, just to see the quality of my grass.
Okay.
I kept it between the grass. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see this far camera. I will select.
Okay.
And let's see what result I got. Okay. I press C to go to camera view mode. Render setting we take it the default.
Okay.
Later on we can discuss what are the render settings. We just whatever the render setting we have.
Okay.
We continue with that. Here only thing I will do is to lock my camera and go to frame buffer. So frame buffer and just preview render. First we preview and then we will do the final render.
Fine.
Okay. See now what other things you notice? Okay, see. It's
The
not
grass.
like,
It is in uniform thickness.
yeah, thickness is big,
Uniform.
Uniform.
So we have to taper it.
Yes, of course.
The height is.
Okay, one thing more. See what happened now. Let me stop this and let us take an examples. As many I have seen, the legends used to say, always see the example. If you are doing something like interior, exterior, get some examples from internet, so that it will be clear to you. So
Okay.
let's take some example from internet about the grasses, no? How the grass
Okay.
actually look like.
Okay.
So it will be helpful while modifying its properties and all. No?
Okay.
Let's take a good example from here. Uh, from the camera angle, I'm just trying to take from the camera angle where I'm seeing this kind of little bit off top.
Okay.
To match my camera angle only, I'm just trying to look the grasses and it should be a little bit near so that I can see the grass properly. Just take this one.
Yes. Okay.
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 Texture and all depend upon my texture.
Okay.
So we will see textures later on.
Okay.
About the size. Okay. The this should not be uniform. No? The grasses would be ununiform. No? Some is big,
Yes.
some is small.
Yes.
The color difference is there.
Okay.
Some the height difference is there.
Correct.
So this kind of make things more natural, no, in grasses.
Okay.
And of course the size, thickness. Some are bigger, some are small.
Correct.
Some are thick, some are narrow. This kind of things.
Okay.
So here are uniform. Okay.
Yeah.
First, what we'll do? We will try to add some textures. Okay. It's
Okay.
not looking proper. So we already have textures. So just select the video file over here, my grass, and
Okay.
simple texture downloaded over here. I will
Okay.
try to show. This is the texture. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. So I have a texture, and let's apply this texture.
Okay.
Okay. Let's render and see. Okay. It's better, but we can improve it more.
Now we have applied the texture to the fur, right?
Fur, only fur.
Only fur. Okay.
You can see over here, the ground is
Yes.
has original texture. Only the selected object is fur.
Fur.
So I have applied texture only to the fur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's change property a bit. Let's see, and then we will modify texture also. Last class, as you remember, we can merge 2-3 textures. Blend
That
2-3 textures.
blend material. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. We'll do all that. Yes, I had experimented few over here. You
Okay.
can see I had applied this noise map and all R&D I was doing yesterday. So we'll do that.
Okay. Okay.
First, let's see the properties. Let's talk about the fur itself,
Okay.
and then we'll see how we can improvise the texture.
Okay.
Okay, we stop render over here. Just click. Go to perspective view. Then I can have a better idea. Just click over here. Right side, I get my properties over here. Plane is my bottom plane.
Bottom.
That is my source. That is the area of my fur, no?
Okay.
The plane area, that is the limitation of my fur.
Okay.
Length, obviously the height. Okay.
Okay.
Thickness we have seen over here. This thickness is not good. We need to reduce that.
Yes.
We try to reduce the thickness. This 0.508. 0.200.
Fine. Okay.
Okay, let's just reduce that 0.2 centimeters.
Okay.
Gravity means how much they will bend.
Okay.
Gravity force on them. Bend amount is similar to that only. How much that will bend. Taper. I don't know much about it. Taper. Let's see. On the final result, maybe we can see what taper does.
Okay. Now it keeps the thickness of the top less and the bottom more.
That is taper or what?
That is taper.
Okay, the top and the bottom, the
Yes.
thickness one.
The thickness will vary.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let's increase little bit. The thickness should be different. Okay, in end result we'll see how
it's going to work.
What help we are getting from taper.
Okay.
Okay. Variation again it depends. See direction with direction that will be.
Yes.
All this grasses will be in difference in length, difference in thickness.
Okay.
So we will keep it default only. The variation we will get with the help of map. See over here right side, we have some option with the like the noise map, no?
Yeah.
We can apply the noise map, and with the help of noise map, we can make the difference.
Fine.
Difference in the direction or difference in the length. So
Okay.
by this is we make whatever it is, we will not touch over here
Okay.
because with the help of texture, we're going to control that.
Okay.
Distribution here, the density of your grass per area, how much you want, like 0.2, I don't know what 0.2 they have defined, but if you increases, the density of grass increases. It will not be visible over here, but on render you will see the density is increases. Okay?
Okay.
So per area is the density.
Okay.
Okay, and else everything we will leave default. Entire object, again this is entire object, entire face or selected object, or
Okay.
you want selected face. If you go to polygon and select particular face,
It take the
this will
particular.
apply. Yes, that is there. Selected face and material ID. If you have some multi color this object material,
You can give IDs to them.
yes, correct. That is there. And we leave the other things. The interesting thing over here is this map, you know.
Okay.
We deal with this.
Okay.
Now. So as you can see, the bend direction, the initial direction, the length, the thickness, gravity, and density. So we
Okay.
are going to control the variation over here with the help of
Map.
noise map modifier. Okay.
Okay.
And below is the display and viewport. Now in viewport, how much density you want to view. So
Okay.
right now is 1000. It's okay because on viewport we don't want to see it much.
Okay.
We just want in the final result how it looks like. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just keep it as 1000 only.
Okay.
So we have seen the property over here.
Okay.
Let's try something with the texture first, and
Okay.
then we try to change the apply map and change the length and the density over here. Huh?
Okay.
Let's go to material editor now. Okay. So to make this thing variation in material, now we use a mix map. This I was experimenting with this. There is a mix map over here.
Okay.
I will take this. Now
Okay.
what is happening? It is similar to your this composite only, but it has
Okay.
only two options. Composite we have multiple layers, no?
Correct.
We have multiple layer and we have masking. Here also you have masking option, and you
Okay.
have only two options over here.
Okay.
So for here, these two options is enough for me. What I will do,
Okay.
I will take a copy.
Okay.
Option 1, option 2, and for mix, I will take noise modifier. Just for the preview purpose. Okay.
Okay.
I will apply this on mix.
Next amount. Okay.
And now the both aromatics are same, no? So it will not be difference will not be visible over here. Okay.
Okay.
So I have to make little bit of changes.
Okay.
Maybe on the second texture, I will
Okay.
use color modifier.
Okay.
These are the very simple steps which we already did, no? Texture
Yeah, correct.
part.
Okay.
So if you have any doubt, any query, just let me know.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, because these are simple steps, so I'm going little fast.
No problem. No problem, sir. I'm
No
following.
problem, no?
Yeah.
Because we already did this, no? The same
Correct.
color changing, same noise on the this thing, no?
Yeah.
Okay, the step is same, but here we will get the result will be very nice. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
So now time to change the color.
Okay.
Excuse me. So what we will do? Let's make it little darker.
Okay.
It depends upon you how you want. I want to make it little darker grasses. So 0.7.
Okay.
Let's take 0.7. And yeah, it's okay, fine, no problem. Now we do with something with the noise map. Just double click over here. Now black and white, the ratio over here I want to increase a bit so that I can see the clear difference over here.
Okay.
I will just change over here. You see over here you're getting more contrast, more difference, dark and light color grasses.
Okay.
Let's further change this. You see?
Okay.
So I will keep this much only.
Okay.
You can do lots of experiment with this. Just change this, go to size, change the size. I'm keeping it as it is because I think this is the result is okay for me.
Okay.
The result is okay for me. Okay, some portion
Okay.
are darker, some portion are lighter
Lighter.
color. Clear so far?
Clear, sir.
So let's see what output we get. We have to apply this. Okay. So we have created the map and now we go to diffuse and apply this. Let's apply a little bit of reflection, no, because grass is a little shiny also. If you can see,
Yes. Okay.
there's shyness also there, no.
Correct.
So let's apply a little bit of shyness, a little bit of reflection value. Not that much bright, little bit. 0.8 is enough.
Okay.
Little bit of shyness is there. Okay, so we are done with the grass. Let's see what result we get over here. Go to
Okay.
camera, see render setting. Okay, let's density is less, no, because the
Then
we have changed the width, no.
yes.
Before it was the width was so it is covering the space. Now the density is less. No? You can see the
Okay.
spaces over here.
Correct.
Let's first increase the density and then see what result we are getting. Density here. No, we have to check the grass. Per face 0.2. Net take I1. Okay, that's proper.
Okay.
I'm not giving very high density because it will take in renders. It's difficult for me to explain. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm keeping it very low density.
Okay.
When you work, you can give higher value over here. I'm keeping not very high, so
Okay.
that it will give me a quick review. The
Okay.
more dense, the more time it will take. Quite
Very
obvious,
good.
no?
Fine.
So here you will see. I just stop it. Here you will see some portion is darker
Yes.
and some portion is lighter. No,
Yes. Correct.
getting this kind of effect.
Yes.
So the texture part is good over here. I can let me see some more area over here. Now we are seeing very less area of grasses. Let me take this camera a little far, a little up, so that I can see the more bigger area.
Okay.
More bigger area I want to see. Let's do a test window once again. So that I can see the difference, not the darker
Yes.
and
Yes.
lighter area.
Yes, sir.
Because if you see small area, then it will be not good.
Yes.
Okay, see here you can see a darker grasses over here, and
Yes.
here you have a lighter grass. Just to give a good natural result. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you tell me what should we do to make it more realistic? Any idea? Anything that you think? You have seen this over here. The grass length is quite uniform, no?
Yes.
You can
We have to
change
make
the.
it that we have to change the height of the grasses. Like you have to give uneven heights now.
Yes, yes, yes. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say.
Hmm.
So let's do this. Select the Vire grass modifier over here.
Okay.
Override. Remember we said on maps we will apply some, masking over here to give
Correct.
uneven shape to the
Uneven
grass.
uneven heights. Okay.
So here you see we have something called density.
Density.
Let's try with this
Okay.
because I have tried this and it give a very nice, very nice looking result. No?
Okay.
And what we're gonna put over here? So we're gonna put the noise map which we have already created.
Okay.
Let's take this.
Okay.
Make a copy because if it doesn't work, then we have to change the noise map. So I
Okay.
make a copy of it. Okay.
Okay.
Just double click over here so that this will be the property came over here. So if I need
Okay.
to change anything, I will quickly change from here.
Okay.
First, let's apply this and see what result I'm getting. So on density map, I will apply this.
Okay.
Okay, and quickly I will take a quick test render. What I will do, I take a region render so that I can see the difference what I'm getting now.
Okay.
So this is without the density map, no?
Okay.
Now if I apply density map, let's see what result I get. Little bit of gap there coming, no?
Okay.
Let's do some changes on our this map, noise
Okay.
map. We'll make this little bit aside so that I can see the preview. Let's do something with the size. If I can reduce the size, the the black and white value is good. The black and white
Okay.
value is good. Only thing is
Okay.
that
Tighter.
maybe spread it on a bigger area, no?
Hmm.
So let's reduce the size. It's 20. Make 10. Or make 50. Just experimenting.
Okay.
You can see the area
Yes.
is changing.
Okay.
Let's take 10 only, and here we will try to differentiate. Or what we can do, we can swap. No, not good, not good. Okay, so white areas is where we can see grass, black area where we don't see the grasses. So a little
Okay.
bit more of a black areas I want, uh, more black areas I want. So that is what I'm aiming at. Let's do something with the size only. If I take 5, we can 0.5, if I can 0.9. Ah, lots of grass gone, no?
Yes.
Not that much,
So
0.7,
0.2, 0.3 we should give.
0.3.
Yes, will 5?
What you said, 0.5?
Oh, we can try.
I want some empty spaces.
Okay.
0.6. I think this will work.
Okay.
I got some empty spaces over here. You see, there is no empty space over here, but here it is empty. Let's render the entire thing.
Okay.
Okay, now this is uneven. The density is uneven. No? Some portion is highly dense, some
Some
portion is little bit.
Okay.
Oh, you can see the ground over here.
Okay.
Okay, let's stop over here. But this is the density. We are just trying to see the heights. Now let's try to change the height of our grasses over here. The length. The height. There is length only, no?
Yes.
Let's apply the same noise map to the length. Let's see what result we get over here. Again, we will try to cover a small portion first.
Okay.
What we can do, we can change the overall height over here. And we can try to work with the. Actually, no, I have. Can I take this noise? Because this one gave me a very good result.
Okay.
Let me try this one, no? Because these settings, let me see what settings I have given here. 50, 6 and 0.3. Let me try this one, this noise modifier. Oh, my length.
Okay.
This actually give me a good. See, you see over here?
Yes.
This is giving a much better result, no?
Okay.
Over here also. Let's render the entire thing. You see?
Yes.
Somewhere is bigger grasses, small grasses. So this is giving a very nice result. See, here the grass is dense and bigger.
Okay.
Small grasses somewhere at the center.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Much natural. It's looking much natural, no?
Okay. Yeah, correct.
So it's all depend upon the settings. Here, see, I have experimented, but I'm not getting a good result. But
Okay.
this is I have done before. So these are the settings. It's giving me a nice looking result. No?
Okay.
Same thing. You try the other parameters over here on my maps. The bend. Some of grasses will be more bended toward the ground. Some will be not so much bended.
Okay.
Some thickness you can also give. Some will be more thicker, lesser. What I want you to try this.
Okay.
First, try what we did in here.
Hmm.
Try that, and then on your free time, try other thing as well.
Okay.
Okay? I want you
Okay.
to experiment with that.
Okay.
So this file I have shared with you.
Okay.
Try to download that. Try to get this kind of result. Okay? I will send you this result as a benchmark, as a
Okay.
master.
Okay.
Try to get this kind of result.
Okay.
Let me render this completely. Let me get a more clear picture.
Fine.
Not take much time.
No.
Okay, so try to achieve this kind of result.
Okay.
If you have any doubt, then just ask me. Okay.
Okay.
So start working. Meanwhile, it will be rendered, then I will share this work.
Yes. Okay. But rendering, I should go to a separate file or do it in the same file? Should I open a new one?
No, I shared the file, no? I
Oh,
shared
okay.
WhatsApp, no?
So you want me to open that file, right?
Yes,
Right.
yes,
Right.
work on that
Okay.
file. Just to, for this class session, work on that file, and
Okay.
then you can work on your original, the elevation file which we are working. Just for this practice purpose, work on the file which I have shared on WhatsApp.
This is the one you have sent.
Yes, yes, work on that.
Okay.
I will also see your computer screen.
You're seeing now?
Yes, I can see your computer screen.
Okay.
It has already some video for onto that. Try
Okay.
to hide or move that from the center and create
Okay.
a new, create a from base. Yes. Try to move that away. Yes.
I have to give a noise modifier, no, sir?
First, let's no need of noise.
Okay.
First, make it on plane.
Okay.
Let
I
me
finished.
make it.
I'll get the textures now.
Yes, get the textures. Get the textures and apply for modifier. Nice.
Sir?
Yes, nice. Correct.
Okay. Now I'll apply the grass material.
Yes, for video for yes.
Yes.
Select the object. First, you need to select the where you
Yes.
want to make for. Yes, click on that first. Just move your viewport. It is there on the viewport. Just try to move your viewport. It's not coming.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's good.
It
It's
takes
come.
some time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice, nice. Try to
Now.
render and see what result you are getting, and then
Okay.
try to change the thing. You can minimize the material editor. It's
Yeah.
okay. Try to render, see what result you are getting, and then you decide what you should change.
Okay. The brightness I have to reduce it now.
Brightness is to be changed. Okay, you can change the light brightness. Fine. Are you rendering from the camera view only, no?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to the
Just make
camera.
sure
This
because
is.
lighting I didn't found any problem with lighting. It's okay. You can change
This
the
is a
height.
camera view,
Okay, fine, fine, good, good, good.
and you have sun. You have used sun, right?
Yes.
We'll
Okay,
decrease.
reduce the reduce the sun intensity. Correct. Or if you can apply the texture, no, you will get a better result
Better
actually.
result.
No,
Yes.
this is by default texture of the this fur. No, that's why it may not looking proper. Okay.
See, the texture has come now, sir. No?
Yes, yes.
The texture is come now.
Texture purple is not that bright now. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now
We have to
changes.
give the variation now.
Yes. The property. Go to property. See what changes you can do with the property. What are their parameters that you can modify? See the height. See the thickness. See the gravity.
The height is
Uh-huh.
0.38
38.
centimeters.
0.1 centimeter. Okay.
So let the height remain same, right?
Yes, I
The
mean,
thickness.
there is a small triangle over there, you know, the right side triangles. Just try to move the triangles over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Small, yes, just click and drag up and down. Yeah, just click. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thickness, I think you reduce here, reduce the thickness. I think what I have given 0.1 or something I have given thickness.
Yeah. How much should I give? So 0.2.
Point one, just give 0.1 centimeter maybe it come. Yeah, this, you can type it there, just type it there, 0.1. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
Uh, Gravity is more, I think.
Just try them. How much gravity is there? Yes. Little bit. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. And bend is same. So let's
Yeah.
give some taper
Tape. Okay. Nice. Yes.
one.
Tape one. Tape
Okay.
one.
And other things will leave it. We will leave it as
Remain
it
as
is.
it is. Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now density we have to play with the density
Yeah.
now.
First, you have to deal with the texture. Go to
Okay.
render. See what result you are getting, and at a number of this thing you have to increase. No, you have reduced the size,
Okay.
the thickness, so
So
density you
density
can.
will allocate.
Yes, yes, there is many opening spaces you can see. On property only, select the V-Ray. You see the density area.
Per
Yes,
area.
surface. Yes, yes, I have given one. It's not point two. Yes, yes, now rendering, see how much grass is under. Yes, yes, now it's looking proper, no?
Right.
Correct. Okay, fine, good, grass is coming good.
Okay.
Now work with the textures, create
Now
a good texture. Yes.
I'll take the same texture.
First take, what are you trying to do right now? No, no,
Should
no,
I
no,
uh,
no. See, you need,
mix
excuse
map?
me.
Mix map.
Yes, 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 yes. Mix and then noise modifier and then try to change the texture. Yes, try to take mix, make two
So
textures.
I'll
Yes,
give one. Okay.
yes,
One
correct,
more here
correct,
and
correct.
the noise.
Noise modifier. Yes. See, what?
And now here I have to give a color correction.
Yes, correct. Make it a little darker.
Okay.
It's too dark.
Uh,
It's too
Point
dark.
0.5, so 0.7, 0.8.
Point seven is will work. Enough.
Enough,
This is
sir.
enough. Yes, yes.
Now I should bring this noise. Shall we try the noise level? Later on, we'll do
Yes.
it.
Yeah, you can do it, of course. Later on also you can do it.
Yeah. First, we'll check how it's going to
Apply,
come.
yeah, apply and see. No, they are first on grass. No, no,
What is
no,
it?
no, no, no,
Uh,
no, no. That you have created right now, that will go for the grass.
that
Only
will
the,
go for.
that will go for the grass over there. Grass
Uh,
diffuse. Understood?
so here, sir.
Yes, yes. The mix you have created, that will go to grass over there. Diffuse. Yes, grass diffuse.
Okay. Okay.
And only the noise map will go to over here, the video properties.
Okay. So uh, this is correct now. What I've done, I have given it to this now.
Yes, give
Correct.
it to diffuse. Yes, grass diffuse.
Okay.
And noise will go, yeah, correct, to density. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. First apply to grass. You didn't apply to grass.
Okay. 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 Correct. Right.
Stop. That one is left. The grass texture you have created, no, this mix will go to grass diffuse.
So
Bit,
this I will remove now. So this is
remove,
not
yes,
required.
the bitmap is not required anymore. Just click on the bitmap. Click on just on bitmap. Click outside. No, Control Z. Click
Okay.
outside. Click on bitmap.
Okay.
Click on bitmap. Yes,
Yes.
delete now. Yes. Now this apply to diffuse. No, not there, not there. On top, on top. Yes.
I'll.
Yes. You see a diffuse modifier. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. Now you can take a test render. Meanwhile, my render is also completed. Let me see what result I'm getting.
Fine, sir.
I will share my result and you will share your result. Okay?
Fine, sir.
Let me save this file. Save this current channel. Let me save on here itself. This is grass result I got. Grass final. I will save it as a, let's say JPG save. Let's save history as well. Let me see what result you got.
Still rendering, sir.
It's okay, okay. No problem. I will share my result now. Wait. I will WhatsApp you where I have saved. See, my natural looking grass is there. You can see my computer screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will just WhatsApp you. You can see on WhatsApp also. Just try to achieve much more better than this. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay. It's good. It's really fun. It's really fun. Just a
Yeah.
little bit of 1 or 2 practice you needed because I also experimented yesterday.
Okay.
So you will do one or twice, you will get a much better result.
Fine.
If we complete this elevation before our actual time, no,
Okay.
we create a different elevation, no,
Okay.
where we have a big this garden and lawn is there, no.
Yeah, that's what.
We try to create that, and there we can use a proper use of grass and all.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
First, let's complete this elevation,
Okay.
and then we will take a new project, and then we can do that.
Fine, sir. Can you see the grass, sir, now? Can you see the result?
Yes.
Yes.
Coming good, coming good.
Good. So we can see the variation,
Just
dark
stop
and
this.
light variation.
Yeah, just stop it. Just stop this. Yeah, it's okay. Now try something else.
Okay.
You see, what are the other parameters are there on the VREF4? I have tried 2-3 things. No, the
Yes.
length also I have tried.
Okay.
I have tried density. I have tried the length.
So again, the noise modifier
Yes, take a noise modifier.
and apply it on
on length.
the length.
Length. Yes. Let's see what result you are getting, and then try to make some changes in noise modifier.
Okay.
First, see what result you are getting.
I'll take a region render, sir.
Yes, yes, of course, of course. Take a region render. Take a small portion. Try to make some changes in noise because it's not giving a good result. Okay.
Yes.
Go to noise modifier. Make a bit changes over there.
So noise modifier, I have to make the changes. Right.
Yes. Double click noise modifier. Here, reduce the size. Yes, make it 10, make it 20. Make it more prominent. The dark and the light should be look more prominent. Now here it is not very dark. No,
Yes.
it's grays.
So here I think noise
Reduce. Yes.
threshold
Point
is
7. Take 0.7,
point
0.6.
7 and
Point, yes.
and
0.3.
0.3.
Yes. Just see what result you are getting.
Yes.
Yeah, you see black and white are more prominent now.
More prominent now.
You can go
And
to fractal. You can go to fractal. The regular. Yes. Yes. Nice. Correct.
turbulence, no. Fractal should be okay, I
Fractal
think.
is okay. Yes. Yes.
And the size of this, sir?
10. I have taken 10. Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Now see what result you are getting. Open your this thing, no? Or frame buffer. Where is that frame buffer?
What? I think the distribution is less, sir.
Okay, so off the distribution. Stop this one. Stop this render.
Okay.
Okay, here right side you see the density over there.
Yeah, density. Yes, density.
Uncheck. There is a tick sign, no? Yes, uncheck that.
Okay.
Now this is default. This
Okay.
will not be creating any problem. Now see
Okay.
test sentence. Let's see what result you are getting.
Yeah, now it is prominent.
Yes, perfect. So you can deal with density later on. Let's see
Fine.
the height only. Na? We have did this for
Yes.
length. Let's see what difference we are getting on the length.
Okay. So that means we need a better camera now. Camera should be higher.
Higher, yes. Make your camera higher. Take a bigger render. Yeah, just stop that. Move your camera. Take a better picture. Yes. Yes, perfect. So that you can see a bigger area. You will come to notice now where the height is more, where the height is less for the grass. Don't take region there. Take complete entire thing.
Okay.
Yes. Increase the overall height. If you are not getting proper result,
Yes,
try
sir.
to
We have to
increase the overall height of the fur. Select the fur. Go to
So
property. Yes.
it is about, shall I give about 100?
Yeah. Do that. Yes. You have to do R&D over here.
I can give one more.
Yeah,
I
try to
give.
give on noise modifier. Try to work on noise modifier. It's good. The height is good.
That is good.
The noise is getting more of the gap over there. I don't
So
think
noise modifier. Okay. Yeah. Anything else, sir? What I can do here? Regular? Try regular?
First, which one it is?
It was fractal, no? We'll try regular.
Yeah, try that. Try regular. Let me share my settings with you.
We have unchecked the density. Now we have to give the density.
Okay, give density there. No problem.
We have unchecked it, so the result is not that good.
Okay, do that.
Okay. Oh, the area after this I have to, I think, increase. Wait.
Yes. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, now we can see the
Yeah,
difference.
much better. Much better.
Yes, yes, yes.
Much better result. Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. So all I can say that you understood the options, no, where
Yes,
you
yes, yes.
have to make the changes.
Yes, yes.
That is more important. If you see
Yes, sir.
you are not getting proper output, then where you should make the changes. Now you have that idea. Okay.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Only thing I can say that the color of the ground is little darker. It is looking very bright now.
Yeah, that I can do it. I can
Yeah, that is
image color. I can reduce it.
yes. You
The-
can take a better ground image, muddy kind of ground image. You can
okay.
apply little dark or variation in the background texture as well, the ground texture
Fine.
as well.
Fine.
It will look much more realistic.
Correct.
Although
Correct.
it's looking very nice, the grasses are coming out to be very nice.
Okay.
It's good.
But will it take lot of rendering time, sir? For
It
the
will take,
suppose
of course,
lot of rendering time.
VRF
So
is time
where
taking.
so only few areas where a little bit of grass is required, there we can apply VRF, and the rest, the images which is far away, we can give the texture itself and give a displacement map, right?
Yeah, correct. That's what we used to do.
Yes.
Only the nearby
There's a
camera,
nearby
with this
camera which
nearby
captures
camera,
nearby image nearby. We have to
you
give
give
VRF
this kind of realistic
to get a realistic
grasses,
correct.
yes. And which is far from the camera, you can apply a texture and displacement map that will
Oh,
be enough.
that's more than enough. Yes.
So any question, any doubt till now, whatever we have.
I will practice this, sir. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. That is need just once or twice you
Once or
practice.
twice, yes, yes.
That is
Because
more.
many times what happens, generally, when somebody explains and I don't practice, will have lot of doubts. But you are
Correct.
making me to work now, so my doubts are cleared here.
Yes, because I want to see how you work.
Yes.
And if I can help you on that, if I can reduce your time,
Yes.
then and there I will help you. Okay, you don't do this. This will take lots of time. You try this and this will
Again, after some time, when I open everything, we forget, tend to forget. And then the lots of doubt will be there, and we leave it. And what happens,
do.
when you ask next time, I say yes, 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 I tried.
No, no. I give time. I want to see your computer skill, how you
Yes,
work.
yes.
That
Because
is
now,
more important.
unless until the results are in front of us, so we are not satisfied. Now I can feel that okay, confident I can create this kind of grasses, realistic grasses,
Yes,
wherever
yes.
required in the scene.
Of course, of course.
Hmm.
Only thing is that it depends upon your computer system how fast it will render.
Yes,
Because
yes.
of course, grass is something that it will take time. There's nothing like that.
And this will help in the carpet for
Carpet
interior.
as well. Yes,
Yes,
carpet as well.
as
Same
well.
thing. Only the
Yes.
height we have to reduce.
As the texture will reduce texture, and it will have a uniform. It will not have taper. It will be having a uniform thickness.
Yes, yes,
That's the only difference.
yes,
So it will be helpful in creating the carpets.
yes, yes. So you understood the properties, what need
Yes,
to be
yes,
changed.
yes,
You
yes,
can
yes,
try with your fur. You can
yes,
try
yes,
with your interior carpets. You can
yes,
do
yes.
that. Yes, very nice.
I can try. I can try. You can see the results, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Good coming, good coming. Natural grasses,
Natural
the
grasses.
difference in the color.
We
There are
are,
some grasses.
we are in this. I have not given any reflection. So once we give the reflection, it will be more reflective.
Yes, it will be
It look more
more
natural then.
lively, more lively. It will come more
More
lively.
lively and more. And in a proper scene, we give a lot of light, daylight, then lot of other environmental things like HDRI. So definitely that natural look will come.
Okay, yes. Hmm. Okay, so you have cleared this thing. So I have
Okay.
prepared some things, but it will take time. So can we continue that tomorrow?
No problem, sir. No problem.
Because
So
in five ten minutes.
let Pardon, sir?
What I'm trying to say, I have prepared about the small grasses, as for individual grasses, the paint one, paint 3D object that you
Okay.
had asked. I
Okay.
have prepared that also, but it will take at least 15-20 minutes more. So let's do
Okay.
it in coming classes.
Yes, yes. Let's do in coming classes so that I can I can be thorough with this now. I can practice so that that I can we'll take it tomorrow so that I'll have time for practicing this.
Yes, we have lots of time. Don't worry. Already you are experienced in lighting and
Uh,
texturing,
correct.
so
Correct, sir.
we can
Correct.
save some time over there
Correct, sir.
and give
Correct.
more
See,
time
the
on
main focus is the environment now. See, how
environment.
to
We
give
can
an
give
yes, yes, yes,
more time for the environment.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Correct. That's
So
correct.
you practice this, and meanwhile, what I will do, I will share the lower version of Max files.
Please share the lower version of Maxwell. You can.
Actually, I had shared this with student who have a higher version, so
Okay,
I
okay.
never get this problem. But I will share, no problem.
Right.
All 3D grasses, 3D human beings, vehicles,
Okay.
cars, and
Okay.
all are there.
Okay.
You can use that in your scene.
I will also upgrade that to 2021-22. Unable to get the
Yeah.
cracked versions. Cracked versions, I'm unable to get it. Okay. Once I get that, I will go for higher version.
Okay. Okay then. So I'm keeping this much only for today's class.
Okay. Okay, sir. And one second, sir.
Yes.
And this we have seen it, no?
I have
Did you
seen.
the blend is correct now?
Yeah. Just stop this render. You can do it later on. You can.
Okay. This anyway I'll stop it because I can do it always.
Just see the result. Go to frame buffer.
Yes.
Just double click and let me see.
Yeah.
The
See,
ground.
I even tried this kind of cracked, damaged.
Wait. Let me give my comments on this.
Okay.
First of all, the water on the road is coming very nice.
Okay.
It's very aesthetic. Only thing is that the road should be little darker. Use a better texture for road.
Texture. Okay.
Give a variation on the texture on road.
Okay.
Water is coming more natural. It's really nice.
Okay.
Really nice. And try to keep something there, like a car or like a human being. I'll give you.
Okay.
Try to keep something so that the reflection of that 3D objects come on the water. No?
And we'll try one more potholes here. Or potholes.
Yes,
that is minus bump.
Yeah, potholes. Right, good. And walls textures are very prominent, like
this is all displacement, sir. As you said, I given the displacement instead of bump. I have given displacement.
No, the cracks,
So this is yes.
The cracks over there is very big.
Okay, so I have to reduce that size. Okay.
And this one or two cracks is enough.
Okay, no, I was just trying it. That's all. I just wanted to see the result. Now, once I know the method how to create this, then according to my choice, I can keep one or two. Because these things we have to work on the Photoshop. Get a black and white image for the
yes, right. And mask over there.
The mask over there. That's what. First, understanding the procedure is important.
Yes, of course.
And see here also I given little rough textures.
Rough texture given over walls.
Okay. Here.
Yes, looking nice.